It broke. And I had to brake when I hit the thing. Awesome. Well, that broke too.
So you can see what happened here. In that pothole, it actually blew the one light out of my brake lights and totally snapped off my license plate mount that actually came with the undertail. Now that license plate mount had lasted almost 7 years without having a problem, but that impact was so hard it just snapped it off. So you can actually see here, like this is the license plate, and it literally just snapped off. That part came snapped off, and that was still attached to the plate. I have to put this tail light back on, and of course I'm going to have to make myself a new license plate mount, and I guess I'm going to be using aluminum because that's what I specialize in. So I'll let you know how it works. So as you can see here, that's what snapped off, and of course once it hit the ground, the rest of it all broke. It's not a lot of weight here, it's just an aluminum plate, you know, nothing fancy. So what I ended up doing was I got a piece of angle iron and essentially recreated it out of aluminum. So it's going to sit slightly different. I'm going to move it actually back a little bit from the wheel to give a little more clearance, just in case I hit another massive pothole. But that's the repair. Hopefully I won't have to do that ever again in my life. So as you can see, the license plate bracket is back in with a license plate installed. Taillight's re-epoxied back in where it's supposed to be. I'm all set again to the next massive pothole.